Here's a new page I'm working on, and it's a good place to talk about blocks. Blocks are basically sections of content, and every Qwilr page is made up of blocks. Some blocks contain text, some contain images, some present pricing, and so on. You can use as many blocks in a page as you need and stack them up in any order. See these plus icons between each block? That's where you can add a new block. So when you click on that icon, you'll see the block menu, and that's where you'll choose the type of block you want. There are 6 types. The text block displays text and images, and you'll likely use this one a lot. The splash block presents a big image, and it's great for dividing up the topics of your page. Video blocks display videos, and embed blocks display content from other websites like forms or spreadsheets or charts. The quote block presents your pricing, and the accept block lets your client accept and sign the page. I'll start another new page now using that blank page option so that we can see blocks work exactly the same way here. This page starts out with one default text block, and then here are those plus icons that let me add more blocks above or below. Every block has this options menu in its top left corner. Here's where you can move blocks up or down, or make a quick clone to use as a starting point for another block, and this is also where you can delete blocks from your page. And that's everything you need to know about blocks. We'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about adding content to your page.